Hello viewers, and welcome to this episode. We're going to take you through show you the website for Signatoree.com. So basically, Signatoree.com is an electronic signature and electronic stamp solution that helps you make your operations go paperless and enhance your operations in the office. So this is basically the website. When you go to your browser, you just key in www.signatoree.com and it will bring you to this page. It's a simple page to navigate, and it just basically takes you through the different features and what you basically need to know before you commit to signing into Signatoree. So Signatoree actually has various features as it is shown in the website: audit trail, document security, real-time tracking, and bulk stamping and electronic signing as well, workflow customization, updates, and so many other features as well. So Signatoree actually applies to various industries: legal, healthcare, education, financial, hospitality, and non-profit. And the list is endless. All of these industries can be able to make use of Signatoree in order to make their operations paperless. Their pricing is flexible, and the good thing it also starts with a free plan where you can test the system before committing to anything. So there are various questions you can check under their website as well. And in case you have any comment, in case you have any questions, you can just drop your comment or your question under their contact page, or you can also contact them directly using the contact provided. Check it out. It's a good website. And the next episode, I'll be taking you through on how the application works. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.